Oriole, the golden bird. In Latin, Orioles means golden color. These birds are black and yellow in color and sometimes orange in color. The yellow with black combination makes it appear as gold among the lush green trees. Their beaks are pink in color, but some have black beaks. They are distributed across Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Orioles are monogamous birds. The females are less brightly colored so that they can camouflage while nesting. That's why most birds, the males are more brightly colored than the female, to prevent the predators from attacking the females while they are hatching their eggs. Their diet consists mainly of fruit, berries, and nectar. Their nest is made like a hammock between two twigs. Even we struggle to make such a good hammock. They are made of grass and twigs. This hammock can support 2 adult birds plus 3 to 4 chicks. These tiny brains have so much wisdom to make such beautiful nests.